Hi guys on YouTube, today I'm going to do an Intensive 70 express wash in my Bosch Exxcel Dishwasher. The detergent I'm using is Finish All-in-One Dishwasher Tabs. Shut the lid and start it up. So we're going to go to Intensive with half load, 1 hour 15 minutes, and we just press start. So we're filling up. It's quite weird when it starts the filling and starts the wash agitation, because it starts filling, then it clicks off and starts again, and then again it starts washing, clicks off and starts again. It's quite weird. I've never seen all. I'm not sure if all the Bosch and Siemens dishwashers do this sort of thing, because my Nef didn't do that when it filled and started its wash cycle. It's very strange, isn't it? Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.